Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Otterbox iPhone 6s is probably one of the most sought-after protective cases on the market, and for good reason, as it offers unparalleled durability and a rugged design that can withstand drops, bumps, and scratches, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to keep their valuable smartphone safe from the rigors of daily life, ensuring peace of mind with its robust construction and reliable performance. Number 5. MAXCURY iPhone 6s Plus Case. Introducing the MAXCURY case, designed for both the iPhone 6 Plus and 6s Plus. It offers robust protection for your 5.5-inch device. This case features a 3-in-1 design, combining a hard plastic inner bumper with a soft rubber silicone outer cover. It's built to absorb shocks and drops effectively. It comes with a built-in, detachable anti-scratch screen protector. You can easily remove it if you prefer to use your own tempered glass protector. Enjoy easy access to all buttons, controls, and ports thanks to precise cutouts. The wide charging port opening accommodates third-party lightning cables without removing the case. Available in a stylish purple peach color, this case not only protects your phone but also adds a touch of personality. It's compatible with all US carriers. We stand by our product quality. Enjoy a free replacement if you encounter any defects or quality issues within 30 days of purchase. What we like. This case offers robust 3-in-1 protection with a detachable screen protector. If you need maximum defense against drops and scratches for your larger iPhone 6 Plus or 6s Plus, this is the one. It's ideal for those who are very active or work in demanding environments. What people say. This case is a perfect fit for the iPhone 6s, offering excellent protection without adding too much bulk. The Otterbox case provides a secure grip, making it less likely to slip out of your hand. The buttons are responsive and easy to press. The design allows for easy access to all ports and buttons, and it feels very durable in the hand. Number 4. Otterbox Symmetry Series Case for iPhone 6s. Introducing the Otterbox Symmetry series, designed specifically for your iPhone 6 or 6s. This case offers robust protection without compromising on style. Its thin, sleek, and pocket-friendly design features vibrant, wraparound colors and graphics. It seamlessly adds style to your device. The dual-material construction is engineered to absorb shock and withstand drops. This ensures your phone stays protected from everyday accidents. A raised beveled edge is integrated into the design to keep your touchscreen safe from scratches and impacts. You can rest assured your screen is protected. Installing this case is a breeze. It protects and stylizes your phone in a flash, making it easy to upgrade your device's look and defense. This product comes with the Otterbox limited lifetime warranty. For more details, please visit our website. What we like. Experience a sleek, stylish, and pocket-friendly design with this option. If you're looking for a case that adds personality without bulk and keeps your touchscreen safe, this is a great choice. It's perfect for everyday use where style and moderate protection are key. What people say. This case is very durable and has protected my phone from several drops. The design is sleek and not too bulky, making it easy to hold and fit in my pocket. All the buttons are easily accessible and the ports are well aligned. Number 3. Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series Case for iPhone 6s. Introducing the Symmetry Clear series from Otterbox. It's designed to protect your iPhone 6 or 6s with trusted quality. This case offers a clear view of your phone's design while providing robust protection. It's the perfect blend of style and security. Specifically crafted for the 4.7-inch iPhone 6 and a 6s. You can be sure of a perfect fit and easy access to all features. Enjoy a hassle-free unboxing experience. It comes in simple, frustration-free packaging, so you can start using it right away. When you choose Otterbox, you're investing in more than just a case. You're gaining peace of mind with our commitment to quality. We stand behind our products with a limited warranty. It covers any material or workmanship defects, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. Showcase your iPhone's original design with this clear case. If you want reliable Otterbox protection while still displaying the phone's aesthetics, this is the ideal pick. It's best for users who appreciate the phone's look and want dependable defense. What people say. This Otterbox case is a perfect fit for the iPhone 6s, offering excellent protection without adding too much bulk. The case provides a secure grip, making it less likely to slip out of your hand. The buttons are also easy to press through the case. Number 2. Otterbox Defender Series Holster Belt Clip Replacement. Introducing the Otterbox Defender Series Holster Belt Clip Replacement. This accessory is designed for specific iPhone models, ensuring a secure fit. Please note that this belt clip must be paired with a Defender series case to function correctly. It is compatible with iPhone 6, XS, 7, and 8, non-Plus versions. Enjoy ultimate carrying convenience with its 360-degree rotating belt clip. It easily attaches to your belt and adjusts to your preferred angle. The included holster also doubles as a kickstand. This allows for comfortable, hands-free media viewing whenever you need it. This item comes new in bulk packaging. It's a practical addition to your Otterbox Defender series setup. What we like. This accessory provides convenient carrying with a 360-degree rotating belt clip and doubles as a kickstand. If you need hands-free access to your phone or prefer to keep it securely attached to your belt, this is the perfect add-on. It's designed for those who prioritize utility and easy access. What people say. The case is slim and fits perfectly in my hand. It offers great protection without adding too much bulk. The buttons are easy to press and all ports are accessible. Number 1. AICase Heavy Duty iPhone 6 6s Case. Introducing the AICase Heavy Duty Case for your iPhone 6 or 6s. It offers robust protection against drops and impacts. This rugged case features a 3-in-1 design for comprehensive defense. It's built to withstand tough conditions. It comes with a built-in screen protector, safeguarding your display from scratches and cracks. No need for an extra accessory. Engineered for shockproof performance, this cover ensures your device remains safe from accidental bumps and falls. It's incredibly tough. Finished in a sleek black color, it adds a stylish touch to your phone. It perfectly complements the design of your Apple device. Specifically designed for the iPhone 6 and 6s, it provides a perfect fit. All ports and buttons are easily accessible. What we like. Get rugged, shockproof protection with this tough 3-in-1 design featuring a built-in screen protector. If you need serious defense against drops and impacts for your iPhone 6 or 6s, this case is built for the job. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand maximum durability. What people say. This case is very durable and has protected my phone from several drops. The design of the case allows for easy access to all buttons and ports. I appreciate the grip on the case, which makes it less likely to slip out of my hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.